Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with Ashimary hair once again. So it's the same packaging as usual. I got a tote bag with the box. So the first thing I'm seeing inside the box is my wig. I got some goodies. I got the branded elastic band, some hairpins, a edge brush and comb, a set of lashes, a information card, a pair of HD wig caps, and another goodie bag. They're definitely feeling the Halloween spirit. I got these goodies here, so that's cute. I got some lace tapes. I got a bonnet. And I got a robe. That's a lot of goodies. Okay, so for today's wig that we're working with, we actually have the Ashimary Water Wave 10x6 Partingmax Glueless Bye Knots wig. It's pre everything, okay? Absolutely love it. You see how that looks? It comes with that zigzag pre-cut edge, so everything is kind of done really nicely already for you. It's kind of like a put on and go kind of vibe. Very easy, very to the point. This is how the inside looks. It has removable combs, and there is a curve at the ear portion to accommodate the shape of your ear. So I absolutely love that, and I did show you further on that you can remove the comb, okay? And it gives that frontal vibe, okay? So I really love that. The hairline looks very realistic, and it's a triple security and comfort 3D dome cap. So I went ahead and I slipped the wig on. This is how we're looking now. Right off the bat, you can see how melted that lace looks already, and there's no product. What? They did great. I love the quality so far. I'm showing you all the parting space you have with this closure. As I said, this is the largest closure on the market. Gives very much a frontal vibe, but no, it's the closure. Okay, they're definitely doing their thing. I had to go ahead and just straighten that parting. This is the parting that came with it straight out of the box. And then I went ahead and got my wax stick to further go in with my hot comb to get the top really nice and flat. You guys know the vibes. I'm always doing this. Love when the top of my wigs are flat because it just looks better to me. Yeah, so I was just taking my time to run through the top there with my hot comb. This is how I look once I'm done with hot combing the top. Now I wanted to show you guys the wig in a nice big poofy state. First, I know a lot of my girlies do love them a big curly look. You know, it's just a thing, and I think it's super cute. It just gives that it factor look. Like, you know, you want to make a statement. It's just like, ooh, and these curls, super soft, minimal shedding by the way, but the hair is super full. So I really love that. Hey, look at that. It's definitely a vibe, and I feel like hair like this right now, when it's really cold, like it's getting there. It's definitely, I'm not used to all this cold. Like this type of hair will be very comfy out in the weather, the very cold weather. So as you can see, yes, it's very much still glueless, absolutely no product. It's giving exactly what it needs to give. Okay, that is stunning, absolutely beautiful. I decided, okay, let's go ahead and move on and do a little style. Since we have all this lace space working with, I decided that, okay, let me do like a mid ponytail, and that's what I was doing right here. And so, you know, it's very straightforward. I just went ahead, got my hot comb again to bring the middle there together, as you can see, and then I got a scrunchie to put it in a ponytail. So basically, after doing that, yo, look at that graduation with the hairline. So realistic. The lace, where is it? It's so melted, and there's absolutely no product. But I got my spray bottle with water because I wanted to give it that nice juicy wet look, and I'm just spraying through that thoroughly. So basically I go ahead and I grab the ends of the ponytail and I'm like, wow, that's so cute. That's literally a little bow. Okay, and I just went ahead and I went for it. It's super cute, super cute. But yeah, that's the style that I decided to go ahead and stick with today. This wig is giving a 10. Let me know what you guys think. It's so believable. Look at me. I was literally so excited for the way it turned out. But yeah, Ashimary, you did your thing. Again, Ashimary is that girl, okay? They be coming through with the quality wigs. Honestly and truly, I 10 out of 10 recommend them all the time. The quality of their wigs are absolutely top notch. They know what they're doing, okay? I'm gonna be sure to drop the direct link to this wig down below in my description box, as well as all the specifications. So if you guys are interested in getting this wig for yourself or as a gift for somebody else, you can go ahead and do that. Any sale going on, any of that will be down below as well. That's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.